Hey guys, today I'm going to show you this tool called Assistable. Um, so I'm here in my Savvy Sales CRM, GoHighLevel CRM, and I've installed on the agency level this button, my bots. So this is actually an iframe of Assistable. I've configured my assistants. I have a few different ones that I configured. You'll notice they each have this ID that will be important later. Um, and if I go to one, for example, my Savvy Sales for my agency, obviously I have this big prompt in here. I can use variables here also in the prompt that will link with GoHighLevel variables. Here we go. These are all integrated. Um, I can also set up calendar linking. This is to my demo calendar. I can change the name over here. Now I've bought a couple phone numbers in here that I can assign to my assistants. And now in my GoHighLevel, I'll just say one thing without showing too much and going too much into the hood. You'll see that there is this. Let me see. Where is this? Over here, maybe. Let me go back over here. Where is my workflow? Chat widget, notification, and bot assignment. Okay. So here I have something where I'm actually doing two things. One, I get an inbound web chat message from my web chat because I want this to be assigned to the bot. I'm doing an internal notification, so I'm going to be a toast on my lead connector app on my phone, and then I'm adding this tag, this 174 tag. So this is how I'll handle like a web chat text. So if I go, for example, if I go to my website, savvysales.ai, then I'll show you that. But for now, what I can also do is get out of here and go over to my UI. And I'm going to place a call. And there's better ways to record this, by the way, to like integrate a call with your AI bot and like demonstrate it. But this is just what I'm doing for now. Let me see. I think I have this 313 number. Okay, hopefully you can hear this.
Hi, this is the Savvy Sales Bot. How can I help you?
Yeah, I'm interested in learning more about your product. I'm wondering if I could book a demo.
Great to hear you're interested, Joe. Let's get that demo booked. What days and times work best for you? I'll
Well,
check my availability and lock it in.
what's available
Take
tomorrow?
your time, Joe. Let me check what's available for tomorrow. One moment. Tomorrow, I've got openings at 10 a.m., 10:30 a.m., and 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Do any of these work for you?
Yeah, let's start at 10.
Perfect. Let me lock in 10 a.m. Eastern Time for you. One moment.
So it'll do that. Basic voice AI stuff. And honestly, I think for this prompt, I actually just I put something to ChatGPT, to be honest. This might even be default, like this generate prompt thing. And it keeps, for some reason, like, it keeps on calling me Joe, so I probably need to get it to get my name. But it should, hopefully, I kind of hung up on it, but let's go and see if it booked me an appointment. Meanwhile, I just want to show you, this is kind of where you can these are the tools. So these are basically, I think they're kind of like prompt plugins that also work with the backend. So these are, I can add specific types of tools to the assistant, and then I can kind of create a new tool, with these kind of custom actions, and I can define what it's doing. This can be a post, so this is actually going to API, a little bit more complicated. But one of the ones I wanted to do was set this transfer call tool up, and I hadn't actually. This was nothing. There was nothing here, so I just went ahead and I added this as a transfer call tool, and basically it was pretty easy to configure. Transfer calls, transfer call ring phone. It gives me the transfer number, just something similar to appropriate, like here you go, warm transfer, because it's supposed to tell you, and it works. I mean, I live outside the country, and I have using my VoIP to call the U.S. number. So when it calls me back, it doesn't actually ring, but it get the missed call. So I really appreciate that. And let's go over here and just see. Let's see if I got that call. Where am I today? Thursday. Did I get it at 10 or not? here, Joe Cuero. So I probably will have the bot set up a prompt so that it actually captures the name, because for some reason it's always logging me as Joe Cuero. I think it's like some default system thing on it. So I'll have it like just put in like booked or blocked or something like that. But yeah, so that integrates with just very simple, and there's no, I don't need to do anything. The only thing you need to do is when you go in and you set up Assistable is just integrate it with your sub account. It's like a one-step thing. This like link button, it basically it's just this. That's it. And for voice AI, you don't even need to set that whole tag thing, because you just are assigning the phone number here. So I'm just making this specifically because I got a request. So but I'm also going to put this on my YouTube. So if you want other little hints and tricks and whatever I'm thinking of and sharing, then you can subscribe. Thank you.